Alright, I want to go over baking your things into Rhino. So in this case, we have a simple pattern over here that's been created by Grasshopper of this curve down here. And what we want to do, I'm just going to preview that off, is we want to take this geometry that we've gotten and bring it into Rhino onto a layer. It's pretty simple. You can right click on geometry here and bake it. So again, that's right click on the geometry and bake, and it'll let you pick the layer. So I'm going to pick the cut layer and click OK. And now if I turn the preview off for this, you'll see here I now have basically baked everything into Rhino, and it's on the cut layer. So now you can do, this one is actually extra now, so if I deleted that, it actually made an extra one there, so you might want to watch out for that if you're using the bottom left one as your original curve. And now you can export to Adobe Illustrator.